unapologetically, I support the government of the day, and I will support it 100%. Reason is this: this government, for the first time ever, tangu Kenya Yumbwe, we've employed 76,000 teachers. Next year, we employ another 20,000 teachers who will be part of you, so that we're able to bridge the gap. Number two, this same government has employed over 6,000 Tibet instructors. Ever since, we've never employed the number of Tibet instructors that we've employed. This government, in 1 year, we have built 22,000 classes in 1 single year, something that has never been done. Professor Ogechi can tell you, our universities were dying. We've pumped in a lot of money so that we are able to build our universities. And I want to appreciate Waziri for the good job you've done. When you came in, there were a lot of strikes. Walimu, university, Nini, but you managed to calm it down. As we speak, most of our roads that had stalled were not moving. Through the help of the president, we managed to securitize some money under the RMLF fund. As we speak today, all the roads that are stalled are now ongoing. Go to South Mugirango, the road that are stalled there is ongoing. When Nyaribari Chache, that contractor who was there, Alishidwa Kazi, he has been sent away. We have advertised that road. In two months, we'll get a contractor, same to Kitutu Road, same to Kitutu Masaba, and other constituencies. Kitu ya SHA, it is now working. Initially, people say it is not working. Right now, it's working, and it is a game changer. For those who are here who are elderly than me, remember we used to come together and look for funds to build schools. But because of CDF, that ended. This is the same thing with SHA. That thing of looking for money, or selling your property, selling your cows, so that you can treat people in hospital, will be a thing of an end in the near future because of this thing of SHA. And any other sector, enda kwa kilimo, our kahawa, we used to sell at 50 shillings per kilo. As we speak right now, 1 kg of coffee sells between 140 to 150 Kenya shillings. Same to tea, same to sugar. All other sectors go to affordable housing. Everywhere in the country, affordable housing is being built. But here in Kisii, we were the first people to reject affordable housing. Even at the time when the president is begging us, he's telling us the only place that requires affordable housing more than anywhere in Kenya is Nairobi and Kisii. First place is Nairobi, the second place is in Kisii. But up to today, we've never even given out land to build affordable housing. Up to today, he told us, let us remove this prison from here in town, because it does not make sense having a prison in town with 25 acres. He said, let us take this prison inside there, either to Nyaribari. There was a land in Nyaribari Chache and Enyanturago, and there's another land in Bobasi. Politics came in and they said, no, nyinyi mnaona mnaletewa jela peke yake. Jela ndio mnaweza letewa. Ikazama. So, when there is an opportunity, let us take that opportunity. Because at the end of the day, even if we refuse to get this affordable housing, si tunakatwa sisi wote? Mimi kwanza mimi nakatwa baya sana. Si nakatwa? Wewe si unakatwa kama mwalimu? Haujazipata. That thing will have come here, maybe help your kid, your son, your daughter, your relative. It doesn't have to be you. So, me, I'm here and I'm in this government unapologetically because I know and I've seen the things that have been done in the last 2 years that President William Ruto has been in government. And I ask you, nobody should tell you not to support this government. If you feel it is your right to support it, support it. Tikakiro mutacha wa chinyanya chia. Uliyo pate chinyanya chimba lili. Chiwato musulio monge atapabo. Uliyo pate chinyanya chimba se abako ni gochiyange. Lakini waliyo pate chinyanya chimbuno totu udeochiyaye. Tikakiro mutacha wa chinyanya chia, and you have the right to do it unapologetically. But I request and I plead with you, kindly let us work together to support this nasimama kuongea kabisa, na usiogope na Mungu asikutishi, because everybody has right. I know our son is here and he wants also to get that seat. He's also vying, but politics
is about interest.
ni interest na ujanja yako. Unajua politics is interest na ujanja yako. Who we are running against, he's been a member of parliament 3 times, deputy president 2 times, a president in term yake anamaliza 5, amaliza ingine 5. He has never lost any election. Raila and him are together. Aki ndivyo mtauta kubomu mtu.
It's impossible.
It is impossible, I'm telling you. It is impossible. Natokenda twice in position, I'm telling you. Even as our Ushimos were in opposition, this guy will still win without us. So what are we baki hapa? Na wengine tubaki hapa. Hata akishinda at least tuhesabiwe ya kwamba iko wakisi watano walikuwa tupewe kitu. Na unajua mkituambia tuende opposition, unajua hiyo ni kama kutuvuta kazi. Sasa mimi ni treasurer ya chama. Huko ndio mimi nakulia. Sasa mnaenda kuambia huko. Waziri juzi tu ameingia sasa hivi anamaliza mwaka mmoja. Alafu umwambie wewe achana na hii kitu. Achana na hiyo bendera aingie kwa baridi bwana. Seriously. Wewe unaona hii kama inakuwa ngumu sana. Mimi mniruhusu mimi nibaki hapa. Hata kama wote wanaenda mimi nitabaki peke yangu hapa. Kwa sababu mimi the last kama 2-3 months I am coordinating something called the empowerment team. I'm the coordinator of Ishungwa, Aaron, and Team Farouk. I have run this country for the last 2 months, and I am telling you, most of those things that were implemented in the first 2 years that we came in, sign was not done, and the ground has changed completely. I was in Mandela the other day. Iyo barabara. It's not a joke. Sahi when Mandela uongea William vibaya, hata huwezi kanyaga chini watakumaliza. Because it is a game changer. The other work that is being done by LAPSSET from Lamu all the way also to Mandela is a game changer. And imagine it's not here alone. In July we are starting that road from Rironi, Naivasha, Nakuru, all the way to Mau Summit. That thing is a game changer. Same July, Ile railway is coming all the way to Nyamira as it goes to Sondu. All the way. Nyamira as it comes to Sondu. Anybody will be coming from Nairobi will be taking only 2 hours. From Nairobi to Nyamira. What a game changer it is. Na mnatuambia tu mata hapa mimi sikoza. Mimi niendelee kubaki hapa. So I don't have much to say. What I will request, let us be having these engagements quite often so that we're able to listen to you, listen